Hey there. Welcome to DL Smith at Nights. I'm Darrell Smith and I'm thrilled you're here. If you're ready to unlock your true potential and ignite the fire within, then you've come to the right place. At DL Smith at Nights, we believe that greatness is inside all of us, waiting to be unleashed. Whether you're looking to grow personally, achieve career success, or just build a life you can be proud of, we're here to make it happen. This platform is all about helping you become the best version of yourself. We dive deep into the things that truly matter: mindset, wellness, resilience, and the power of self belief. Through motivational speaking, transformative coaching, and exclusive content, I'm here to walk with you on your journey to success. And it doesn't stop there. I'm also incredibly passionate about giving back to the next generation, which is why I founded Young Gentlemen's Academy. Through this initiative, we're empowering young people, especially from underserved communities, by helping them develop soft skills, build confidence, and explore career paths that will set them up for lifelong success. It's all about creating opportunities and making a lasting impact. But here's the thing: this isn't just about me talking to you, it's about us growing together. I want you to feel a part of this journey, to feel supported, to feel like you belong. This is your space to grow, to ignite that spark, and to take bold steps toward your dreams. So, are you ready to get started? Let's ignite your journey, your future, your success together.